Business Chat. This is Jakia Taslim. Today we have come with a very important topic, international business standards, that is considered as the constitution of business transaction. International accounting standards are the accounting standards which are set by International Accounting Standards Board. Today we have come with the most important ISS in Bangladesh. Those are IS 8, 10, 21, 37, 38. We have 5 renowned guests. Let me introduce Mr. Nawaz Sharif, Chairman, Financial Reporting Council. Mr. Shamim Ahmed, Deputy Director, Financial Management Academy. Ms. Tajrian Tamanna, CEO, Saf Holdings. Ms. Jannatul Ferdowsi, Assistant Manager, Daffodils Limited. Ms. Ifat Jahan, General Manager, Musa Enterprise. Now we come to Mr. Nawaz Sharif. Sir, can you please explain IS 8, please?
Thank you for your important question. The basic scope of IS 8 is the changes in accounting estimate, changes in accounting policy, and prior period errors.
Sir, why do you think changes in accounting estimates necessary in business transactions?
Changes in accounting estimate is necessary in business transaction because the preparation of financial statement require many estimates to be made on the basis of relevant and reliable information.
Sir, in IS 8, there are different transactions for accounting policies and accounting estimates. How do you differentiate accounting policies and accounting estimates?
The basic distinction between accounting estimate and accounting policy are that the accounting policy are applied on the basis of prospectively, and accounting policy are applied retrospectively, which is deals with future transaction and another is deals with past transaction. The example of accounting policy are inventory, accounts receivable, and the example of accounting estimate are valuation of inventories by FIFO-LIFO method.
Thank you, sir, for your nice explanation. Now we come to Ms. Jannatul Ferdowsi. Ma'am, can you please tell us about IS 10?
Thank you. IS 10 is described as events after the end of the reporting period. It makes a distinction between events that occur after the end of the reporting period, which should be adjusted in the financial statements and which should not be adjusted but should give a disclosure.
Thank you, ma'am. Why do you think is it important in business transaction?
Actually, IS 10, the objective of IS 10 is it provides a guideline to how to deal with the events which occur after the end of the reporting period but before the date on which the financial statements are to be authorized by the director. I can make clear by an example such as settlement of outstanding court case which should be adjusted in the financial statement, but the declaration of dividend which cannot be adjusted in the financial statement but should give a disclosure in the below of the financial statement.
Thank you, ma'am. From when is it being used in Bangladesh?
You know that IS 10 is adopted in the whole world. So Bangladesh, firstly, ICAB adopted this IS on 1st January 1990. And the expected date on which this IS was adopted by BAS on 5 July 2006.
Thank you for your nice saying. Now we come to Ms. Tajrian Tamanna. Ma'am, can you please make clear about IS 21?
Basically, IS 21 is include foreign currency transaction, like purchasing asset from overseas supplier or exporting goods or arranging a loan in foreign currency.
Ma'am, why do you think is it important in business transaction?
It is basically used to prescribe how to include foreign currency transaction and foreign operation in the financial statement and how to translate it into a financial statement for presentation purpose. Mainly the overall approach is to translate foreign currency into functional currency.
Ma'am, you are talking about functional currency. Can you please make clear what functional currency is?
Yeah, for functional currency is the currency of the country, the entity it operates. Suppose I operate a business firm in Bangladesh. Our company purchases machineries from China. Here we consider the functional currency is DAC.
Thank you, ma'am. Well said. Now we come to Mr. Shamim Ahmed. Sir, we want to know about IS 37 from you.
Thank you, Jackie Tasnim, to say something about IS 37. IS 37 actually issued by the International Accounting Standard Committee in 1998. IS 37 defines and identifies the accounting disclosures of provisions, contingent liabilities, and contingent assets. Here, provisions is a present liability with an uncertain amount. The examples of provisions are bad debts and provisions for taxations, etc. The other is contingent liability arises from an event that may be linked to the entity having an future liability. The examples of contingent liabilities are products warranties and guarantees on debts, etc. The last one is contingent assets, is a potential assets that arises from the past events. But this existence can be confirmed by the outcomes of the future events. The examples of contingent assets is the potential refunds from the government in tax disputes.
Sir, you are talking about provisions and contingent liabilities. Can you please differentiate between provisions and contingent liabilities?
This is a nice question. Contingent liability may be occurred or not, but on the other side, provisions is an obligated liability.
Thank you, sir, for your nice explanation. Now we come to Ms. Ifa Jahan. Ma'am, can you please tell us about IS 38, which is very much used in Bangladesh?
IS 38 outlines the accounting requirements for assets which are non-monetary and which are without physical substance. The main criteria of IS 38 are identifiability, control over the resources, and existence of future economic benefits.
What is the objective of it?
The main objective of IS 38 is to identify and recognize the separate value of the assets and which helps to assess the user to calculate the total assets accurately.
Thank you, ma'am, for your nice explanation. Thanks to our guest for coming here. We have learned a lot from you. Thanks to the audience for staying with us. I think you have enjoyed very much. See you in the next show. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.